Welcome. If you want to make sure you never miss a notification from users who haven't verified their phone number on X, formerly known as Twitter, you're in the right place. With the latest update, the process is quick and easy. Just follow along and you'll have your notifications set up in no time. First, open X in your preferred web browser on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you have access to all the settings you'll need. Next, look to the left side of your screen and click on the More icon. This will open up a menu with several options. From here, select Settings. This is where you can customize your X experience to fit your needs. Inside the Settings menu, find and click on Privacy and Safety. This section is all about managing who can interact with you and how you receive notifications. Under Privacy and Safety, look for the option labeled Mute and Block. Click on it to continue. Now, you'll see a list of features to help you control unwanted content and notifications. Find and click on Muted Notifications. This is where you can manage which types of notifications X filters out by default. Within the Muted Notifications settings, you'll notice several checkboxes that let you filter out notifications from certain types of accounts. Look for the box next to Who haven't confirmed their phone number. If this box is checked, it means you're currently not receiving notifications from users with unverified phone numbers. To start receiving notifications from these users, simply uncheck this box. That's it. You've now enabled notifications from accounts that haven't confirmed their phone number. With these changes, you'll be sure to catch every notification, even from users who haven't gone through phone verification. This can be especially useful if you want to stay open to messages and interactions from a wider audience. Remember, you can always come back to these settings and adjust them as your preferences change. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy your updated X notification experience.